Hey everybody, I'm Max3D4, and I know I'm like a month late, but in this video I'm going to tell you my journey of the hunt on Roblox in 2024. So let's get started. So I actually did play the hunt and it was fun. It was good coming back to do events, because I liked doing them back in the day. I remember myself playing the 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020 egg hunt. Well, the 2017 one, I didn't really do good. But the 2018 one is my best one because I got like almost all the eggs. And the 2019 and 2021, I got a good amount of them. I joined Roblox since the 26th of June 2016, which is almost 8 years ago. I know. I've been playing for a long time and I'm an ought to be doing stuff in Roblox for a long time. So you can tell that I did not do the 2016 one, because I did not join Roblox around at least March or April 2016, and I did not do any of the previous ones as well, because I wasn't around by that time when it happened. Also, I made some tutorial videos of how to get the eggs that I got in the egg hunt of 2020. They are unlisted, but I will link them down in the description below in this video. Now enough wasting time, and let me tell you my journey in this year's hunt of Roblox. Now the first game I played was the title Roblox Drama game, which I had played this game in another since early 2020, and I was good enough at this game. All we have to do is make it to immersion, yet I got the badge by that, since I'm a pro of the game. And here are some screenshots I took of this. The next one I played was Natural Disaster. This is one of the first games I played and it's so fun and nostalgic. Usually a clock will spawn during a round and you have to collect it before someone else has survived the round with it. A few of them spawn during the round or get dropped when the player dies, so get it before someone else is because, well, you know why. After you survive the round with it, you give the clock to the time traveler, but you have to survive 3 rounds with the clock and give it down and you get the badge after that. Here's a video I recorded of me in this game. Then I'm also a pro at this game. The next one is Adopt Me, and yeah, I played this game a good amount of times and have like a few legendary pets, but all you have to do is talk to this person and then there is 3 questions and you get the badge. The next one I did was Brookhaven. This is a super easy one. All you have to do is accept the question, find all the answers around the map. It's that simple. The next one I did was the RP Battles Minigames, and yes, I watched RP Battles since during season 1, and it's such a great series. Now you have to win like a minigame. Break the crystal and it will take you to a place where you have to find the rest. It's kind of hard, but I was able to manage it. The next game I did was Barry's Prison V2. Usually you just have to find the 10 hidden donuts around the map, which I'm getting when I was doing it just like the other games. I did get the badge as well. The next one I did was the Escape Running Head. All we have to do is complete a few of the levels and yeah, that's pretty much it. The next one I did was the Need More Friends game. Usually you have to complete the whole lobby and yeah, you get the badge. And last but not least was Restaurant Tycoon 2, and you have to serve and do what the customers say when they come into your restaurant and they leave. They will give you an head and you have to get what the game says in order to get the badge. I have not played this and so I just had to wait, but the more you have them, the less likely you have to do it. Since I've been playing this game since like 2019. And yet that was my journey, and that's how you get the badges that I earned. And also you can tell that I claimed this necklace I got in that game. I honestly wish this was an egg hunt game, but at least it was similar to this has an Easter event of this year. Getting the eggs as you have is the best part, and I'm sure you can agree as well. At least getting the hunt, it's better than nothing, that's for sure. They didn't do any event like this in the past 3 years for some reason, so it was good they brought it back. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention that I saw 2 famous Roblox stars when I joined them. The first one I saw was Roblox Knife. He was an FK by the time, and I do know that when you see someone famous in the game, you can get something from them. I actually seen a good amount of his videos and stories, and it was amazing for me to see him in the game. I also saw DJ Minute, one of the RB Battles hosts and also from Triprit Games. He was AFK for a few seconds of just left, but I was able to get a quick screenshot, and it was also awesome to see him in game. And that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss a new video of me. And get at it and have a wonderful day.